Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Doug in Nevada. And Doug, here are your throttle bodies here. 95 S600 V12 throttle bodies. So wires are bad. I mean, I cleaned them all, so they're cleaned off, so they're nice and clean now. The wires are all removed, so I'm ready to put in new cables in. But before that, we need to deal with motors. And this is also our instructional video for other customers who would like to know why these motors need to be done. So what we have here is we have a small case throttle bodies. I mean small bolt case, I would rather say. So these are the small bolts. As you can see, they're small versus, for example, let me show you an example of the large bolt. Let's see, here it is. So here is the large bolt, one of them. So this is the large bolt and that's the small bolt. Also, this is a 4-bolt case, and when you have a large bolt case, you will have 5 large bolts. So each and every throttle body that will have a large bolt is going to be okay with the motor. Well, about 99.9%. And each throttle body that will have a small bolt, 99.9%, will experience problem with internal motors. So that is the difference between two throttles, small bolt, large bolt. Now let's go to the motors now. So here are two motors, driver's side, passenger side. The way I like to test them all, I can feel them already. I mean, I don't even need to test them. I'm just gonna show you guys, and you can see. I mean, by feel I can tell what's going on because I've done many of these. So, but scientifically, let's just do this. We're going to apply power, very low voltage. I like to do like about 3 volts only. Here is, and here it is. So this is the driver's side speed. It's actually spinning the other way. It's the camera, the way it picks up. Here, this is more proper spinning. It spins clockwise actually. So let me see if I can get a better angle here. Okay, so we get the idea. So let's go for the you see the difference in speed. Left motor is much slower than the right motor. That tells us that there is a problem in either one of them, right? So to me, I have to fix both, to be honest with you, because I feel problem with both of them, but the left one is worse, obviously. It is barely sorry for the choppy video. I'm trying to make it with my phone. Just look at the center shaft. You're gonna see it spin. That's counterclockwise. Let's go to the next one. You see this difference in speed. Well, anyway, you get the idea. So this is this was actually at only 2 volts, but that's a good practice because you want it. If you're gonna give them 12 volts, you will never pick up the speed because they will be running fast. They will spin fast, and you will never catch up if there is any kind of difference in speed, unless you're really going to put the gears. You put some sort of special equipment to count the revolutions per minute and all that good stuff, but no, we don't need that. I mean, this is clear. So 2 volts, that shows you old school way, and I feel by the feel I have this kind of like breakouts on this one, whereas this one is smooth. So hopefully I'll get this done right. whatever's going on inside. The wires, of course, were bad. I mean, here is the cut wiring harness. So obviously insulation was like falling off a second you touch it. I mean, inside the throttle bodies, they were full of flaking. Flakes of insulation was all over. There were like flakes were all over the throttle body. So that is that. So it's late at night already, so I have to cut it quits. And these units are probably gonna open up the motors tonight just to have them ready, but I'll probably finish them either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, because there is still quite a few things to do. The motors have to be done, the brushes, filing, measuring, cutting grooves, yeah, you name it. I mean, it is what it is. And then the wiring, sealing, connectors, potentiometer cases, and all that stuff. So that is that. So first phase is done. So this is why you have to do motors along with wiring in these throttle bodies. And even if you have a throttle body that has good cables, the motors will still be bad, unfortunately. So you buy a new throttle body from the dealer, give it like 5-10 years, and the motors will be seasoned. I had my own motor seize up on me. They didn't. Once it seized up, second time it was starting, and the third time it was starting on the other side. Well, shoemaker is with no shoes, you know. Shoemaker is barefooted, so that's me. I just did my throttles, but the motors, I did one of them, and the other one I left alone. So the one I left alone seized up. And the second time I took them apart, and then I just slapped the motor in, whatever. I just had no time. That one started to give problems. So I take it off, rebuild it, put it in, and then the next one, the second one, started to give me problems. It's so last time I took them all apart and did it right, and that's it. So now it's my throttles are fine. I have 95 S600 as well. So this is basically where we are at the moment, and this is the informational video. And this video is for Doug in Nevada. These are your throttles, so you can see. I'm gonna send you this link so you can see where we are at the moment. Alright, so this is all for now. This is Victor at thisstorymercedes.com. Thank you for watching.